Yo, what's up? Here's a recap of the trade today that I took. We have London low right here. We have London London high. It's very slim and tiny. Very, very tiny. London high. So let's go over. So we swept London high. We then got a 5-minute break of structure to the downside with this candle closed. And then I scaled down to the 1 minute and drew out equilibrium when we were right here because we have the high. And yeah. Oh, and yeah, we came into 5-minute equilibrium, then got rejected out, so I entered right here and spread, made it go right here. Put my stop above the equilibrium and targeted 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and I got stopped out. If I would have waited for the higher quality equilibrium, still would have got stopped out, so I don't give a crap. Followed my plan, that's all that matters. So yeah, Monday took a win. Hit 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, then I took 2 losses, so boom, I'm at break even again on the week. So yeah, that's alright, I'm following my trading plan. Peace.